In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Google form you already submitted. If you've ever filled out a form and later wanted to confirm exactly what you sent, this quick walkthrough will help you find and review your submission using Google Drive. The process is simple, and I'll add tips along the way so you know what to expect on each screen. First, open Google Drive. This is your central hub for files connected to your Google account, and it's where forms are stored alongside docs, sheets, and other files. Make sure you're signed in with the same account you used when you completed the form, since Drive only shows items accessible to that account. Next, use the search filters at the top of Drive. Click the filter option labeled Type. This filter lets you narrow down your view so you don't have to scroll through every file you own or that's been shared with you. From the Type menu, select Forms. As soon as you choose Forms, Drive focuses only on Google Forms files, making it much easier to locate the one you filled out. You'll now see your Google Forms listed. This view includes forms you created as well as forms that were shared with you. Look for the title you recognize from when you submitted your response. If you're not sure which one it is, take a moment to check the file names and the last modified times to jog your memory. When you spot the correct form, click it to open. The form will load in a new tab. Since you've already submitted, many forms show a message indicating that a response has been recorded. Depending on how the form's owner set things up, you may see an option like View Your Response or Edit Your Response. If View Your Response is available, click it to review exactly what you submitted, question by question. If Edit Your Response is present, that means the owner allowed changes after submission. Use that with care, since any edits will replace your original answers. If you don't see a direct link to view your response, that simply means the form owner didn't enable response viewing. In that case, you can still confirm you've opened the right form by checking the title and description, and you'll typically see a notice that you've already responded. And that's it. By opening Google Drive, filtering by type to forms, and clicking the form you completed, you can quickly find and review your submitted responses whenever the form's settings allow it.